Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who subscribed to our team this week. We had another record-breaking week with regards to subscriptions, so a huge welcome to our team. And don't worry, if you haven't yet signed up and you've been watching our videos for the past couple of weeks and you really want to get involved in our amazing Signal group, then please do not hesitate. You can do so simply by visiting our website, www.dailymarketmovements.com. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team, then go and click on that link, which will take you to our website, where you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership. So to receive signals from myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, go and click on that link. So in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see, we have skyrocketed up this week, an extremely bullish week, up 65 points from a low that's at 1675. And then on Monday, when we got the daily close above the 50-day EMA, because Monday daytime, last Friday going into Monday daytime, I was still on the sidelines. I didn't place any trades on gold because I said we got the daily close below the 50-day EMA, as you can see here on the Friday, which was a bearish signal from my point of view. So I said I wanted to see whether we could potentially decrease down to 1650 and where I could potentially add value there, or furthermore, potentially even add value at around 1600. However, on the Monday evening, we got the daily close above the 50-day EMA. I told my whole Signal group, I told my whole YouTube audience, this is a bullish signal. Buy gold, buy. And as you can see, since then, off the lows on Monday, we have skyrocketed $65, and we are now trading at the upside of this channel. This blue rectangle that I've drew is the holding pattern that we found ourselves trading in for the past couple of months. Which ranges between 1740 on the upside and 1675 on the downside. So just like beginning of this week when we was at 1675, that is the support in the market. As you can see, on 4 separate occasions we have hit that support level, and now we have just hit the 1740 area for the 5th time of this holding pattern. So I am forecasting for gold to break out very shortly. You know, I kind of see this channel kind of like a bull. For example, if you're in the sea and you have a bull, the deeper and the longer that you hold that bull underneath the water, when you let go of it, it's going to slingshot really high in the air. So the longer and deeper that you hold that bull below the water surface, the higher it will slingshot up into the air. And that is the exact same what I feel that's going to happen with gold here. I do believe that next week we are going to get that breakout, which means great money-making opportunities here in the gold market. One thing I would be wary of is that on Monday, typically with gold, we do start to see some down pressure at the start of the week, and then come Tuesday evening during the US session, we start to see some more bullishness in the precious metal. So potentially maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, we could get that breakout that we've been waiting for up towards the 3-week high up at 1764. And once we break above 1764, it's very simple. This market is going to 1800. 1800 is the 8-year high. It's the 2012 year high. You know, it's a huge psychological number, and you know, the gold prices would not come this high and then head back down without tapping the 8-year high, which is only about $50 away now. So I really like gold from a short-term and long-term perspective. With regards to the RSI, we are currently bang on in the middle, so we have plenty of territory towards the upside to reach before we reach 70, which would then indicate that we're overbought. So we're nowhere near overbought yet, which then gives us plenty of territory to move to the upside, which will give us enough space to move to 1800. However, let's say something over the weekend happened, there was a vaccine or whatever, what have you not, which I'm not really expecting, but let's just cover the downside as well. There is support at the 50-day EMA, which is around the 1710 area, and then below there, of course, we have the big support at 1675. And then below there, we have the 1650 area, where we have found some noise in previous trading sessions about a couple months ago. And then below that, we have the 200-day EMA. So we have so many different levels of support underneath gold, where it's currently trading right now. So I am not a shorter. I just literally buy the dips. Every single dip that occurs in gold, I'm just adding to a core position. I have no interest whatsoever in selling this precious metal. I'm a buyer long term and short term. So my short term target going into Monday is 1764. I want to get the breakout of this channel up to 1764, and then my longer term target is 1800, which we could potentially hit next week. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, join our signal group because it is gonna go and pop off in gold next week. So there's some great money making opportunities. Hope to see you.